What's up everybody, welcome to Simon Says Right. In this video I'll be talking about 5 reasons why you should buy a KTM RC 200.
No gunshots, but they getting low, 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 low.
Alright guys, so in my last video I spoke about why you should not be buying this bike. So I specifically made clear that there are few things which you if you tend to expect in this bike, and if you're somebody who wants those things in the bike, then probably this bike is not for you. But then this bike is definitely a very good bike, so it might be an amazing bike for so few people. So that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So जैसे कि मैंने तुम लोगों को पहले भी बताया था, मैंने ये बाइक को बहुत चलाया है, ऑलमोस्ट 3 साल, मतलब हर एक कंडीशन हर एक सिचुएशन में चलाया है. सो मेरे को ये बाइक के बारे में बहुत कुछ पता है और बहुत कुछ मैंने भी फेस किया है. तो मैं उसके बेसिस पे मैं ये 5 पॉइंट्स तुम लोगों को बताने वाला हूँ जो मुझे लगा कि these are the 5 things why you should have this bike. So number 1, definitely looks. Now this is the best looking 200cc bike that is available in India right now. Now yes, that is a bit polarizing. मतलब अगर तुम लोग को ऑफ रोडर्स पसंद है तो Xpulse 200 जो न्यूली लॉन्च हुआ है, which is a very nice bike. But if you are into fully fat bikes, there is not any other, मतलब दूसरा कोई 200cc बाइक इतना ब्यूटीफुल नहीं लगता है fully fat bikes के सेक्शन में. Like you have the RS 200 and yeah, there are 250s also, जैसा कि CBR 250 हो गया, and there are other probably almost in the same power category में आता है दूसरा fat bikes like the Ninja and all. But then this definitely is the best looking 200cc there is in Indian market right now. Traffic. Alright, point number 2, power. Man, this bike is freaking powerful for a 200cc. I mean, दूसरा कोई भी 200cc बाइक नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से जो इतना पावरफुल है. Powerful in the sense like there is RS 200 which people say that it's faster, like it's got a better top speed, but then when it comes to the power to the weight ratio, this bike is amazing. मतलब for a 200cc bike, this bike is definitely very quick, which I feel is really awesome. Point number 3 is a bit controversial, the seating position. Now for somebody who is not into aggressive riding, this seating position might tend or might feel a bit more, very uncomfortable. But for somebody who understands the rider's dynamics, if you want to ride really hard and if you want to do a good cornering, now this definitely has the best seating position for that. And it's an amazing machine. So it's really good for that. Riding really aggressively, this bike is amazing for that. Alright, so the 4th point जो मेरे को ये बाइक के बारे में बहुत अच्छा लगता है is the handling. I mean, इस बाइक का हैंडलिंग इतना सही है कि तुम लोग अगर कॉर्नर्स में लेके जा रहे हो, बहुत सारा मेरा वीडियोस है where I took this bike to Igatpuri and places where you can literally drag a knee. Well, I didn't, but yes, you can do that on this bike. So it's got amazing handling. It's an extension of the previous point. It's got a very good rider dynamic, so it's got a very good and a very nice handling, and it's very flickable as well. So ये चीज़ मेरे को बहुत पसंद आया when you're into twisties and other places. Alright, so the point number 5 which I liked on this bike is the value for money, I should say. I mean, this is not a very strong point, but when you think about it, when you're paying around 2 lakh rupees for a bike, but you're getting so much. I mean, you're getting good looks, you're getting good performance, and you're getting a good beginner bike which you can literally use to upgrade to a very good powerful bike. So it's a good value for money, when you consider it in that aspect. So I feel that I did a very good decision of buying this bike. Like sometimes I think like when I'm literally tired riding this bike, I used to think यार सही किया कि नहीं ये बाइक लेके, but then somehow ये बाइक मतलब अभी तक मेरे को इतना डिसअपॉइंट नहीं हुआ है बाइक में. अभी भी ऐसे लगता है कि it was a good decision, so it's a very good, very great value for money, I would say. So these are the 5 points or 5 things which I really like about this bike. If you think there are other things which I missed out about this bike, leave it down in the comment section and let me know how you like this video. Well, oh my god. This is your host Simon signing off until the next ride. Be safe, ride safe. Bye bye.
No gunshots, but they getting low, low.